Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am going to show you how to create new email address, new Gmail account. So it is always a requirement to have multiple Gmail accounts. So I am just trying. I already have many Gmail account, but still I want to have one more account. Okay, so this is my Gmail. So uh, where is that gone? There is some option actually, but we don't get it quickly. So here, sign out, add another account. It's personal info. Where is that? Search the Google account. New account. Create Google account. Create Google account. Okay, but where it is? It is not showing any option for myself. Okay. Wow, so finally we got that option. Create a Google account. So first name, what name shall I give? Fine, I will give this, and I want to do AWS, so I will do AWS. And then last name, I don't want to put my name again there, so I will put event, because event driven development is in demand. So fine, month. Okay, this has to be actuals, I think. So I'm putting actuals. Gender. Okay, please enter valid date. Now what is the valid in? Okay, 1975 is a mistake. Okay, go ahead. Sumant AWS event. Yeah, that is good. And then next, password. Yes, I need to give some password. Right. Right, and then let's go ahead. Canvas QR. Okay, so I need to open my mobile and scan the QR code just for the safety, because they don't want spam accounts to be created. So I'm opening the camera. I scanned it, and it will do something. Maybe verify the mobile phone number. Okay, this may take few moments. In the mobile it is showing me all this that I cannot show you, because mobile screen I'm not sharing with you. So it is, Google needs to verify your device or phone number for security reasons. That's what it is showing. Yes, finally it got. And then recover email address, I will put my original one, so that way it will be linked. Okay, so it's ready, I think. Sumant AWS event at gmail.com. Wow. So I got new email ID. Yes. What it is doing now? Okay, update password for. Okay, so save. Fine. So I have new email address. That's nice. So I will now create a GitHub with the new email address. github.com. I already have my own GitHub, so I will log out from that. Sign out. Then sign up. Continue with Google. Okay. Suman AWS event. Yes. Okay. Continue. Username. Okay. Suman AWS event web. Oh. Fine. Let it take this. Let it be only this one. Why to have receive product? Okay. Create account. Create account, man. Okay, now this is the toughest part. Maybe we need to verify that we are human, because just now account is created. So we need to know, verify your account. Visual puzzle. Oh no, this is too much now. 1 2, use the arrows to match the icons inside the bubbles with the one shown on the left. So inside the bubble, use the arrow to match the icons inside the bubbles with the ones shown in this. So this smiley and something is there. So here is smiley, and this is there. So what narrows to match means there are multiple, so we don't have to take this, match this, fine. So we'll do all. Everywhere there are multiple, so this is also there, this is also there. Okay, maybe like this they want. Okay, maybe that one is suitable. Yeah, like this is top, this is bottom, this is top, this is bottom. Maybe this is correct. Wow, it's done. So my Google account is ready. So create your first code project. Okay, we can create new project or download this visual. Okay, Copilot. So we will get GitHub Copilot in my account. That's it. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Stop it.